What's up, guys? It's your girl again, Bellissima. I hope all of you are doing well. If today is the first time of watching my video, please subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. On today's recipe, it's very simple one. Very simple recipe for dinner. Okay, we are going to use potatoes and then cook ham. So let's go on with our ingredients. We have already our cooked ham, potatoes, breadcrumbs, cheese, salt to taste, olive oil, parsley, black pepper, and then powdered pepper. This is optional. If you don't like pepper in it, you can remove it from it. But I like pepper, that's why I'm using a little bit of powdered pepper. We are starting by cutting our potatoes into 4 sides or 4 pieces and then boil it for about 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. I've already put my water on fire. My potatoes inside my boiled water, then cook it for 5 minutes. You add a little bit of salt to taste to your potatoes. It's a little taste. Then you cover it for 5 minutes. So whilst our potatoes is on fire, we are mixing our cheese. That's a little bit of our cheese. Add your black pepper, your parsley, a little bit of your powdered pepper. Said this is optional if you like it. Then you add your breadcrumbs to it. Mix everything together. It's very quick and sharp. If you are very hungry in the evening and you are tired, you feel lazy, this recipe is very simple. Just make it and then you enjoy your dinner. We are finished. Our potatoes is ready, so we are removing it from the water. You have to clean your potatoes. You don't want any water on it. Okay. Guys, it's now time for me to add my olive oil. My potatoes, boiled potatoes. Then you mix it. That's how it's like. And you transfer it to your already breadcrumbs and then your cheese, pepper and everything. covered with your breadcrumbs and your cheese. Very simple recipe. I recommend it to you. Try it at home. Even the children like it. My family really love it. I hope yours too will love it too. To on your oven, always you preheated your oven first. Just 180 degrees Celsius. Okay. So oven is that's our baking sheet. Put it inside your baking pan. Then you take one slice of your ham. Then your one potatoes, then you fold it like this. Very simple. Take another one too. You do the same thing to all potatoes. Very simple and delicious too. You just try it. Guys, our cheese potatoes is ready to go inside our oven. We are going to bake it for 40 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. So guys, our potatoes is ready with ham wrapped. Just look at it. It's ready to be served. Ready to be served. Look guys, our food is ready. Let's taste it and enjoy it. That's how it is. Look at the inside. You can enjoy it with ketchup or mayonnaise.